tape 2 of the jumping off.
Yeah?
Oh.
That doesn't look out to be out right. Here. Yeah. Just crack. Here, where am I going for?
Sup, Ireland.
Are you? Who wants to go first? Right,
West
what's the
side.
shit?
Whoa!
Oh, nice.
Is it so?
Go on,
No.
yeah, set it back up.
John, send it back up. And then you take the video.
Okay, now climb. Cool.
Do you know how to get up?
Ireland, you're going after Kieran.
Yeah.
Kieran, go.
Body head on.
I give you this.
Oh, that's too far.
Oh, here, you'll definitely make that. Make a good outrun.
Oh,
Silly old bum.
fucking hell. That was epic.
Oh, fuck, not again. I'm doing a front flip next time.
Oh, me leg. You're doing a front flip.
Fuck no.
Go, motherfucker.
Here, Kieran, hold this.
Wait until Lauren gets up.
Is he up?
Right, Arlen, be careful.
Yeah.
Wait, will we move here?
No, here, right, quick.
Yeah, that's a big jump.
Wait now, Arlen, wait. Pose.
Shit, that's a big jump.
It's not actually.
Hey, you'll definitely make that. Now that's handy.
Yeah,
Move 60, you hurt your feet.
No.
Yeah.
Go. Oh! You okay?
I think I sprained my ankle.
Ah, you'll be grand in a minute. Don't jump off again. Here. Wait there, lad. See, he hurt himself.
Is he okay?
Yeah, you okay? Just take a rest. Don't lie down.
You're a beast, Arlen.
Beast. Here, just sit down and take the video.
There, man.